Here is a Newton's cradle, but something's not right. The swing cycles seem wrong because of the delay in energy transfer. But this behavior is similar to what we see in a magnetic cradle. Let's slow things down and compare the dynamics. 1 cycle, 2 cycles, half a cycle and the energy transfers. And again, 1 cycle, 2 cycles, half a cycle and the energy transfers. The 2.5-cycle energy handover is a striking departure from classical contact physics. This isn't a standard pendulum beat. Instead of an instant momentum transfer, kinetic energy is captured and stored inside the magnetic field. The swinging magnets take turns to stop, appearing to ignore the magnetic repulsion force applied. This behavior reveals a highly organized, field-mediated phenomenon called Active Magnetic Oscillation or AMO, and it operates far beyond simple harmonic motion or SHM in a Newton's cradle, as demonstrated.